and welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a beautiful fall look, starting out with the transition crease area. And here I'm using Dinair Glamour shade medium brown and just applying it in the transition area. Next, I'm going to take it down to the lower lash line like so, using the shadow shield to protect the under eye area. Less cleanup for me. Once I have that laid down, I'm going to go into the next shade, and here we're using Desert Rose. And I'm going to go ahead and define and add some dimension to the outer corner outer V and blend that into the natural crease of my eyelid. Now, if you're recreating this look, you just want to go ahead and make sure to build up to the intensity that you're comfortable with. I'm just going to go ahead and layer it up. Now that I've reached the desired intensity, I'm just going to go ahead and drag that down to the lower lash line like so, just for cohesion, of course. Then next, I'm going to move into the lid, and here I'm using a mixture of deep purple, sepia, and dark brown from the Dinair Glamour line, and I'm just applying it to the lid like so. As you can see, I have a lot of folds on my lids. There's a lot of lines there, so I do have to stretch the skin taut just so that I can make sure that there's not any gaps or anything like that, and that the color lays down smoothly. So I'm just going to go ahead and build this shade all over the lid, taking it slightly above the natural fold of my eyelid. Now I'm going over that with dark brown on its own, just because I wanted a little bit more of a deeper shade for my lid. And then I'm going to drag that dark brown to the outer corner of the lower lash line for some depth. Now, to add a shimmery effect to the center of the lid, I am mixing a little bit of Morganite into whatever was left over of the dark brown and just topping the center of the lid like so. This will give me a little bit of shimmer and a nice pop when the light hits my eyes. Now it's time for eyeliner, so here I'm taking Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and the Dinair Cat Eye N stencil that comes in their eyeliner stencil set that they sell on their website, and I'm just filling in my eyeliner like so. No cat eye today, no wing, just lining the lash line. And then of course adding a little bit to the outer corner of the lower lash line for some depth. Now it is time to go ahead and add a little bit more definition to the outer corner outer V. So here I'm just taking Dinair Opalescent shade Underground and adding a little bit more depth. And now to highlight, so I'm using Dinair Opalescent shade Shine On You, and I'm applying that to the tear duct, layering it up like so. And then I'm also going to go ahead and take it to the brow bone as well, just lightly. And to the inner corner of the lower lash line, of course. And then I went ahead and applied mascara and false lashes. And this is the finished look. Beautiful, perfect for autumn. I hope you enjoyed this look. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my airbrush ventures. Thank you so much for watching.